Hello everyone! Today I will paint for you a really super easy watercolor cactus. This is suitable for the very beginners. Firstly, I will import a watercolor paper because I want to have its texture. Then I'm decreasing to opacity. Set the layer multiply, then choose the brush. You can find my watercolor brushes below. Then I'm giving the shape. I'm making a random shape, then I'm choosing a random green colors and applying them over and over again. My aim is to give more texture on it. You don't have to be careful about your lines, just do it. Now I'm selecting the darker parts with select tool. Then I will make them a little bit darker. First of all, I'm opening the feather and then I'm changing the brightness to getting it a little bit darker and changing the saturation a little bit. Now I'm doing the same process, opening the color of the bright areas. Then I'm choosing a random area to make a color variety like a real cactus color. To make some of areas a little bit lighter, I'm using my eraser tool. Let's make some details. I'm opening a new layer, then I'm painting a yellow flower pot. You can use liquify tool to make a correct shape. I'm adding some shadows. And some colors. And I'm making some lighter areas with razor tool. Let's make some tiny beautiful pink flowers upon here and here. I'm making them a little bit blurry. Now I'm adding the flour. And I'm spilling a little bit green to the background with using my spilling brush. Now it's already done.